the last 24 to 48 hours, Donald Trump and Elon Musk are fighting over each other that no one knew. And to be honest, I knew it because obviously it is all because of critical thinking. See, I mean, it's obvious that they were friends. Definitely Elon Musk helped Donald Trump to become president, and then Donald Trump helped Elon Musk to be a part of Doge, a government, I would say, agency that Elon Musk obviously used that agency to basically get rid of all of those people and all of those other agencies that were going behind his own companies, Tesla, Starlink and SpaceX, because obviously all of these companies of Elon Musk are somewhat tied to or related to very bad things. And this was a major threat for Elon, and that's why first he got rid of every single one of them. And after that, after his work is done, after he has majorly done all the work, after he promoted Tesla from the President of United States inside the White House, and now see what is happening. So after Elon Musk's whole plan is successful, after all the work that he has done, and all the plan that he made is now completed, most of it obviously, Elon Musk is full on in public opposing Donald Trump and his decisions. And to be honest, both of them are grifters, both of them are scammers, and both of them are just very bad people. Okay, I won't say any bad words in my video, but you can just assume what I mean by bad people. Okay, and both of them are just running America as a joke, obviously, and America is obviously on sale. $44 billion was the price, and you can clearly see which Elon Musk paid, and he bought America's election, and now he has power. First of all, let me tell you that in today's world the main power is attention. So if you have attention, if you can grab people's attention, you have the main power. Obviously money is also a power, and right now Elon Musk has obviously money. Yes, that is on paper worthless money because of his Tesla stock only, and his main Tesla stock is only pumping because of his attention that he gets of people on Twitter. Twitter is the main thing right over here because he's the owner of Twitter, and basically Elon Musk, in just 2 to 3 tweets, he can change the whole narrative, he can change the whole perspective of people, he can brainwash people into any way. Right now you can clearly see, just few days ago Donald Trump and Elon Musk were very I would say close buddies and close friends, and blind supporters of Elon Musk trusted Trump, and blind supporters of Trump trusted Elon Musk. But guess what? Only few tweets from Elon Musk, and now Trump has become an enemy in mostly everyone's eyes, those who use Twitter. So, and they all think that Elon Musk is our savior, Elon Musk is saving us, Elon Musk is saving America. Even though he is a South African, Elon Musk is caring about Americans. Oh yes, for sure. I mean, and see what happened is, when Elon Musk's main work was done, when he got rid of all the people and agencies after his company, those were after his company, so there was a bill that was passed by the Congress, and he said that this bill is debt slavery for American people. So first of all, he is using some political terms. If normal American read this, they will think that Elon Musk is thinking about our America. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world, and he's the owner of Twitter or X, and to be honest, in the past he supported President Trump, and right now he is opposing Trump to save America. That what innocent Americans think. Okay, so I will discuss that later, like what is the main outcome, what Elon Musk's next plan could be. As of now you can see he's just again and again just saying random things about that bill. As you can clearly see, doesn't grow the deficit. President Trump says he doesn't know if he will have a great relationship with Elon Musk. Why? Because Elon Musk's all the fulfillment, all the plans are already completed, and Donald Trump is the president of America. This is his last presidency. He can never become a president again. he has the power right now, and he does not need Elon Musk right now. And Elon Musk also, after completing his main work, you already know the main work, I have told you. Now Elon Musk is also getting rid of Trump. And see, the main thing I predict is that Elon Musk cannot run for presidency because he is a South African, not an American. But maybe because of his influence, because he is the owner of Twitter, and the influence he controls, like anything he says becomes viral and changes the narrative, and plus the money he has, maybe he can run for presidency of America. And if that happens, America is already doomed. America is already crashed to zero. And this is one possibility. The second possibility could be that Elon Musk secretly is tied up with either Chinese government or Russian government to take down Trump, or to, I would say, destroy the good image of Trump on social media. That could be one more possibility, so that in the next election, Trump or his, I would say, Republican parties, any other member cannot become president, and maybe we will see another political party coming up, or Democrats winning the next election. And indirectly, Chinese or Russian government can take control over America, or one of them can become the superpower next. Because obviously, see, America, I would say, America is democracy, and you can take any democracy country in the whole world. It's so easy to ruin any democracy country in the whole world. Either you take Bangladesh or any other Middle East country, and that's why you will see China is not a democracy, Russia is not a democracy, and that's why they are doing so good in military, in medical, in every other sectors. And to be honest, in America, see, America right now is a superpower, but America right now has a lot of loan on itself, and the only way America is running right now is because of businessmen. That's a brutal truth, because you see companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, they all are businesses run by individuals. Okay, so they provide their services outside the country, and they bring in the money again inside America, increasing the GDP of America. And obviously, so that means indirectly they have the main power over America, oligarchs. And as a result, the politicians in America, obviously on paper they have main power, but somewhat I would say that oligarchs are taking over the power over presidents. And that's why you will also see that in China, the Chinese government makes sure that no businessman gets a strong influence or a strong power in China. So same is with Russia as well. The main Chinese and Russian government makes sure they have their full control over their own country, and not any individual businessman or any oligarchs or any major founders of big companies. Elon Musk is tweeting out that it says, without him Trump would have lost the election. And obviously, see, as right now the things Elon Musk is saying, I don't think so that Elon Musk and Donald Trump can work together again. Well, obviously it is politics, so anything can happen, but the things he is saying about Donald Trump, and Donald Trump is saying the things for Elon Musk, I think both of them won't work together. And until the Trump's presidency, Elon Musk will brainwash people, so that in the next election, either Democrats will win the next election in America, or Elon Musk's indirect political new party will win the election. Why? Because of influence. You can clearly see how he is so, I would say, professional, and it is so easy to brainwash minds of American people. And to be honest, I don't want to say this, but they are dumb, obviously, most of the Americans, and obviously most of the crypto people as well. Crypto in the sense, all these people that lie around near crypto and near Twitter, Reddit, all of these are dumb minds, and anyone can make fool of them. Either it is Andrew Tate or Donald Trump or any other, they can just make fool out of them, and they can benefit from them. They can win election, they can sell their get rich quick courses online, and etc. and at the end only dumb retarded people will only face a massive failure. Trump made a tweet right over here that the easiest way to save money in our budget, billions of dollars, is to terminate Elon's government subsidies and contracts. So see, basically I was talking about it for a long time that Elon Musk and his company got rich because of the government subsidiaries and contracts, and that is how Tesla is surviving in this market. This is how SpaceX is surviving, or else SpaceX or Tesla doesn't have something special, doesn't have something unique that they can survive in today's world. They are only surviving based on the billions of dollars they are getting from government subsidies and contracts, and that's a fact for sure. So obviously they are only surviving because of this. And to be honest, Biden's administration would have done something if they won this election, but Donald Trump won the election and he is the friend of Elon Musk. That's why Elon Musk promoted Donald Trump and indirectly, I would say, manipulated the election so that Donald Trump can win the election, so that Elon Musk companies can be saved for the next 4 years. And as I said, he can get rid of every other person and every other agency that are going behind his scamming companies, Tesla or SpaceX. And here comes the main tweet that Elon Musk says that President Trump is in the Epstein files. This is the reason it has not been public. So see, first of all, when Trump became president in January, after his inauguration, he told that he will be releasing Epstein files, right? But that did not happen. So I was thinking why it did not happen, and the main reason is obviously that Trump's name was in that file, either Trump's name or someone else's name was in that file. And see guys, one more thing I have to tell you guys is that who cares about this file? I mean, see, if this file gets released today and you see all these names, what will happen? Like, what major change will happen in your life? Nothing will happen, right? Some lawsuit will happen, some case will happen regarding those names, yes, for sure, but what will happen in your life? Why are you taking it so seriously? And see, I will be really honest, in today's date, this Epstein file is already permanently gone, removed, deleted from every other storage. Why? Because obviously, see, the names in this file are obviously very top class names and they cannot go public, so obviously they are already destroyed. So if you think that still there is a file, Epstein file, and it contains all the names of these top people and that will be revealed in front of the world, so obviously you are wrong. It has already been manipulated, the file has been manipulated or permanently destroyed and will never be come in public, as you already know. And this is the main reason it will never ever be in public. So I would say don't waste your time in debating and then wasting your time researching about the Epstein file. It has no use in your personal life and it has no use at all. So it is just better to focus on other things as well. And Elon Musk said that Trump is in the Epstein file. I mean, see, as of now, Elon Musk has a lot of money. I mean, on paper he has a lot of money and he has a lot of influence, as I told you guys, on Twitter. And right now he is just directly clashing with the President of United States, Donald Trump. I mean, Donald Trump, President of United States, is a very, very powerful man in the whole world, and Elon Musk is fighting with him, clashing with him and saying all these things in public. And obviously I think that Donald Trump will and can take some action against Elon Musk, legally or I don't know, directly or indirectly. And let's see what happens, because I expect that something bad can happen right now with Elon Musk as well. And then again he will go on tweeting about Donald Trump, and both of them will just continue to fight. And see, I'll be really, really honest, I hope that Elon Musk does not get involved in presidency or indirectly or directly, because that is very, very bad for whole world and America, obviously. And I personally think that it will be good if Democrats win, because in Republican there are obviously many oligarchs like Trump, and obviously Elon Musk, if he creates his own political party indirectly or directly, that will be bad as well for America. So I hope Democrats win the next election, or else it will be very doomed for America and the whole world. Also, one more thing I wanted to share with you guys is that I hope you can see, this is yesterday's candle on Tesla, and you can see 5th of June's of candle on Tesla when he got in fighting with Donald Trump. Donald Trump made some tweets, Elon Musk made some tweets. I've already shown you guys. People are selling Tesla so badly that it was down 15%. And see, if you have watched my previous short videos, you already know I was very bearish on Tesla, and I told you all that the price of Tesla can easily dump all the way down till $297 when it was at $366. And I told you the technical analysis behind it. Guess what? The technical analysis did play it out along with fundamental analysis, that you already know what is happening in the world. And as I say that this fight, this fundamental analysis has sparked a dump towards the downside, and now technical analysis will make sure that the price of Tesla and most probably Bitcoin and Ethereum or Solana will also dump towards the downside heavily in the next coming weeks. As of now, let's see what happens. This $297 is a very important level for Tesla, and if the price stays below it, then we can see the price of Tesla again going back all the way down till $213. So this is it for today's video. It is not any analysis video, it is majorly on what is happening around the world. The clash between Donald Trump and Elon Musk, both of them are scammers, and both of them are very bad people and very bad for America obviously, and both of them are fighting, and it is just a clown show to watch right now. I would say don't even watch it, just see some major news and just carry on with your own work, because obviously this won't help you at all. And in the next election, I will say that vote for a political party that is not tied to or related to any businessman or any oligarch, or else America is doomed and the whole world is doomed, and soon we will see some other country emerging as superpower, and America is being controlled by oligarchs, that's for sure. And let's see what happens next. What are the plans of Elon Musk, because obviously I did made some predictions of mine and what I personally believe can happen, and what also I personally believe can happen with the Tesla stock as well. So yeah, this is just a quick video explaining you guys what has happened in the last 24 to 48 hours, so you can understand what is the main reason behind the clash between the President of United States and the world's richest man on paper. So I hope you guys understand. Do comment below what you guys think, or any other thing you want to share. I will be reading everyone's comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.